Hey everybody, we are here at the Uvita Waterfall. So this is probably one of the most popular attractions in the area. We made the mistake of deciding to film this video on a Saturday, so there might be lots of people, but it'll give you an idea of what it's like during high season with the tourists and on the weekend when all the locals come out. But it's a really beautiful waterfall. It has a cool swimming hole, and it's unique because there's a natural water slide. So we might do it. I'm not. Dan might. Or maybe we'll catch some locals sliding down to show you guys.
So this waterfall is about 5 minutes from our house, like 2 minutes from downtown Uvita. We came up here. There's a restaurant where you pay. It's about $1 per person, which is like $2. The super secure parking lot. And then we're going to head down the path that goes down to the waterfall. Go check it out.
There was actually water covering the rocks here, so we had to like take our shoes off and wade through the little river. So it's not too hard, but just know that to get to the waterfall you do have to walk down those stairs, which can be a little slippery, and then cross the little river right here sometimes.
Welcome to the Uvita Waterfall!
Oh, yay! So it's not the biggest waterfall around, but it's pretty cool. In the jungle, you have this awesome pond to swim in, and hopefully we'll catch some people sliding down it soon. We're gonna go for a dip. So that was the Uvita Waterfall. We went for a dip and hung out. It was a great time. And now we're up at the restaurant refreshing with a drink.
We have here the poor man's margarita. It's also beer and lime. It's called a michelada here in Costa Rica. So thanks so much for hanging out with us. It's a perfect way to end after taking a dip in the waterfalls.
Cheers.
Pura vida. Pura vida.
Pura vida.